So far, we have talked about three measurements of accuracy: the bias, the linearity and the stability. And now we are talking about precision here. In precision, we will be talking about the repeatability and reproducibility. Let's look at the dartboard once again to understand what the precision is. And here, if you look at these examples where there is a spread amongst each other, here we have lack of precision. This has lack of precision. This one also has lack of precision, because here you see these items are far spread from each other. So here in precision, we are looking at the closeness of repeated readings. So in these top two cases, you see that the readings are not close to each other, whereas in the bottom two, you see that readings are close to each other. So now, as we said that in precision, we have two measurements, repeatability and reproducibility. So what is repeatability? Repeatability is the variation in measurement obtained when one measuring instrument is used several times by one appraiser. So we have one instrument, one appraiser. I take this measurement 10 times. So I don't change the instrument and I don't change the operator. So operator is same, the instrument is same, but still we have variation. That variation would be called as repeatability. This is also called as equipment variation, because we have one equipment, one operator. Why this variation should be there? This variation could be there because of that problem with the instrument, because the instrument is giving that variation. So basically this is the capability of the gauge, not capability of the person, because we are not changing persons. Same person is taking measurement. So this is because of instrument. This is the capability of the gauge to produce consistent results. So that's repeatability. Many times people will get confused between repeatability and reproducibility. We will talk about reproducibility later, but when we are talking of repeatability, what you need to remember is repeatability is because of Pete. Pete means Peter. So Peter is taking that measurement. That's how I would remember that when it comes to repeatability, it's the Pete who is taking this measurement. So operator is not changing here. It's the same operator Pete who is taking this measurement. That's one way to remember that. So any variation which is coming here is because of the gauge. And now you know that when we have talked about repeatability, now you can very well guess that what will be the reproducibility. But then let's look at that on the next video.